Hey, what's up everybody? Steve with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. In this quick video, we're going to talk about adding the PA style H-rails to your Hobie Outback and how to do that if you have the Boonedox landing gear. Now, adding these rails is great, and you can find them on eBay for about $72. Matter of fact, I will put a link in the description to the seller that I bought them from. I had them in like 2 days. They're genuine Hobie part, came in the genuine Hobie box. Couldn't be happier with the deal that I got, so I'll link that down below and help him out. Now, if you have the Boonedox landing gear, you'll find when you go to install your H-rails that they don't have the clearance. They'll hit the top of this and then they'll just kind of teeter-totter to one end or the other. They don't quite make it down to the mounting point. Boonedox sells a spacer kit, and it's included with the Pro Angler hardware kit, but they don't include it with the standard kit that you'll get for your Outback. If you ask them to toss it in, they might. They're a pretty cool company like that. They tossed in some extra hardware for me just because I asked. But I didn't think about it at the time. And when I went to install my rails for my fishing trip today, I didn't have them. So I had no intention of waiting or paying $15 for spacers. That's not how I roll. I had some leftover starboard. Starboard comes with the new style Boonedox landing kit. However, if you own a kayak or really any kind of a boat, it's probably a good idea to have some extra starboard around anyway, because it's really great for reinforcing things that you install on the kayak. It's great for random do-it-yourself like this. But anyway, all I did was cut 4 squares out of the starboard. And then these rails come with 1/4 20, 2.5-inch bolts. 1/4 20 is the size you need to go into here. The 2.5-inch bolt they come with is not quite long enough when you need to raise it up over the Boonedox kit. I went to Lowe's, and for like $2, I bought 2 packs of 1/4 20, 3-inch bolts, and they go right on in there. So there's just the tiniest little bit of difference between the 3-inch bolt and the thickness of the starboard. So each of these bolts, the bolt goes through the rail, 1/4 washer goes on, and then it goes straight down through the starboard and into the H-rail mount, track mount. There's like a brass screw in there, is what I'm trying to say. You take the stock screw out when you go to put these on. They are very sturdy. They're not going anywhere. Starboard is not going to give out on you. I originally was going to do that with PVC, and I made 4 PVC spacers, and they were wiggling no matter how I cranked them, because PVC, no matter, like I think I was using 1/4, but the center hole is bigger than the screw, and even if you use a washer, there's just too much play. Starboard is perfect. It looks cleaner. Some people may not like the way it looks. Personally, it doesn't bother me one bit, and didn't cost me any money. So if you've got the Boonedox landing gear and you got some rails and you didn't get the spacers, or you don't want to wait on them, a little bit of starboard and a few minutes of your time will have you rocking and rolling. Thanks for watching this quick do-it-yourself video. I hope you'll subscribe, and you can check out some of our gear in the affiliate links down below. We'll see you next time. Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.